Hey there, Shopify users! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a cool Marquee effect to your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Online Store. Then under that, select Themes. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to back up your theme. So click on the three dots next to your active theme and select Duplicate. This way, if anything goes wrong, you will have a backup to restore. Now, click on the three dots again and select Edit Code. This is where we'll be adding the Marquee effect. On the left-hand menu, expand the section option. Then click Add a new section. You will be prompted to name the file. Just type in Marquee and click Done. Next, you'll need to copy a special code for the Marquee effect. You can find this code in the description below. So let's copy the first code. Now head back to the section page in Shopify, delete the default code, and paste the new code you just copied. Then click Save. Now, if you want to add the Marquee text to the header of your store, we will need to include this second code. To do this, copy the code, expand the layout section, then click theme.liquid. And then press Ctrl F on your keyboard and search for body tag. This will highlight the body tag in the code. So just click on this area, press Enter to create some space, and paste the second code here. Then click Save. Now click on the three dots and select Customize Theme. If everything worked, you should see a black bar at the top of your store. So just click on Add Text under the Marquee Text option, and you will see your moving text displayed here. To customize it, simply click on Text, type in whatever message you want, and then click Save. And that's it! You have successfully added a Marquee effect to your Shopify store. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.